Welcome back everyone. I hope you are learning a lot in cybersecurity. Today we came up with another method to gather information of any website. We will show you a tool called Killshot. So Killshot is designed to automate your pen testing. It crawls the target website and tries to find its backend technology or running ports or services, or try to also find some loopholes in the website. This tool uses some popular open source tools like Dig, WhatWeb, Fears, WAF, WZ0WAF, and CMS Exploit Scanner. You can use Killshot to scan website automatically using such multiple tools. So for testing of the tool, we will be using Kali Linux 2018.4 AMD 64. So before downloading or installing the tool, you must ensure that Ruby is properly installed in your Linux operating system. So if you're installing Ruby, type sudo apt get update, which will update all the sources list, and after updating that, type sudo apt get install Ruby. As we have already installed the Ruby, so it will not ask you to install any additional dependency. So let's start with the tool. So you have to click on the green icon and then click on the copy to clipboard. Open the terminal and type git clone, right click on the terminal, which will paste the URL of the GitHub, and then press enter. It will clone the Killshot to your local Linux directory. Then type cd space Killshot and press enter. Then list the contents of the directory. As you have to install the tool, so type ruby space setup.rb, which will install all its dependency or requirements of the tool. So press enter. Depending on your internet connection, it might take some time to install the Killshot. As you can see, the tool has installed a dependency. Now type ruby killshot.rb, which will start the tool. Then you have to type help, which will show the help menu of the tool. Now first of all, you have to set your target site. So type site, press enter, and then type hack.me, which is the popular testing website for testing your penetration testing skills or hacking skills, and then press enter. As you can see, our target has been set. Now type 0 and press enter. The spider will sprite all of the links of the target website. In result, it shows its IP address and some another pages of the target site, like hack.me, hack.me explore, or you can see some various URLs like me.hack.me login page, its sign up page, its developer page, it's another page called elearnsecurity.com, and some another pages. Like it also shows that the site has also a page on twitter.com, and also shows some images files of, it shows the page of everyone, 2.png shows the images. Then we will scan with the web technology. We'll try to find some web technology. So press 1. It will try to find some of the web technologies, and it will also try to find some zone transfer. As you can see, the scan has started. The result it shows with the host result, and it also shows the DNS results of the target site. It shows some mail server of the target website, and shows some DNS information of the target site. The tool has also tried to zone transfer the target site, but it was unable. So it will scan for some wildcard DNS. It might take some time to scan, so we will fast forward some testing phase. It is taking time to scan for the particular information. As you can see, the scan is completed. It has tried to find some of another DNS, which shows me.hack.me, ns4.hack.me, s.hack.me, and some another website. Killshot has also tried to trace route the particular site, target site, and it also tried to find the firewall of the target website, but it was not unable to find because some sort of security solution is being presented over there on their servers. So we'll start with some another methods of Killshot. So for finding some open ports of the target website, we will type 3, which will scan for the open ports. So type 3 and press enter. Then we will choose nmap scan, so press 1, so press 0, enter. So we will go with nmap all scan, so press 5 and then press enter. And it will try to find some of the open ports of the target website. It might take some time to scan for the results. It will show. As you can see that we have started the nmap scan. It has found some of the open ports of the target website hack.me. It shows the port 53, port 80, port 443 common listing ports which are used in website, and show the open port of Microsoft Windows RPC, which is 49156. It also shows some of the services info of the operating system which are being used. For example, we can see here Microsoft Windows Server 2008 R2 Service Pack 1, which clearly shows that the target site is using Windows Server 2008 R2. Here it has also tried to do the trace route using on 443 port, which has found two IP addresses. One is the IPv4 and another is the IPv6 address. Nmap has taken around 169.1 seconds of time to scan for the result. Now we will go with the another scan. So we will go with another scan called unicorn scan. So press 1 and then press enter. So we will press 8, 9, 8. First of all we will press 8 and then enter. As you can see, it has shown some common listed ports which are open of the target website. Again we will press enter. You can also scan your whole local network, as there we have started the whole local scan over network. So we have to press 1 for the unicorn scan and we have to enter the local IP address, which will scan for local. which will scan the whole network. As you can see that Unicorn scan has found some of the connected IPv4 addresses on the whole network. It might take some time to scan for the network, and it shows it will not take little longer than 4 minutes 55 seconds. You can see it is showing some more IPv address, which can be used to check that how local address is performing. It will scan for TCP send scan. Scan which will scan your whole local network. It might take some time to complete. As you have seen that the tool is really grateful for scanning the particular website. You can check out our more articles and detailed information about the kill shot on securitynewspaper.com. Simply you have to type securitynewspaper.com and press enter, which will open the securitynewspaper.com. You can also check our security news. Thank you.